How to enable the color filter option as well as change it into the gray, black, and white colors only for your Apple Watch Series 9 or the Series 8. Be sure to have the latest update for this feature here. Let's get started. So the numbers on my clock face actually supposed to be like a hunter green kind of color, but because of the color filter, the colors has been alterated. So what you're gonna do now is press down on the crown here, and I want you to go into the settings right there. All right, so once you're in the settings here, let me just come out of here. Okay, I'll show you from the very beginning. You'll be shown this here. This is the main settings, and then you wanna go down, keep going down until you reach accessibility. As you're entering the accessibility section, go down some more. Keep going down, you'll see color filters. So once you're here now, you want to turn this on, this right here. Okay, so if you want the pure black and white colors, tap on the grayscale, and you'll notice now everything here is black and white. Okay, if you want that, you can leave it like that. Now, when you go to the filters, the other colors, you have the red green option. And you'll notice how these colors are going to be a bit different. Okay, so it's going to be like this here. And then now I'll go to the green red filter color. Notice how they're going to be slightly different now on the clock face here. And then I'll come back here and then we'll go with the bluish one here, right? So go back here. You'll notice how these are different as well. And so is the clock face numbers as well. Okay, so if you were looking for that, maybe it's going to be useful for you and you want to adjust the intensity, that's down here, okay? And if you don't like any of these, just turn it off and that's that. Like and sub.